Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is May 5th, also known as Cinco de Mayo. Welcome to it. It's Tuesday. My good things for today are Mexican food and new professional opportunities and Nutella and Screencast-O-Matic. This will be a short video today, Avid kids. I have some good things to share from yesterday. Painting. The OH News. I hope you caught Greta and Georgia on the OH News yesterday. Chocolate milk, cheese in a can, cookies, hot dogs, tea, Reese's, a clean dog, PS4, FaceTiming with cousins, being organized, and Roblox. I don't actually know what Roblox are, so I will assume that it's something appropriate. All right. I will be sending out this assignment guide to you later this morning, probably by 8:30 or so. We have just one short assignment today. I'm calling it COVID-19 Has Made Me. I'll be sending you this. Here it is. It's just a short form. Fill in your first name, your last name. You're going to submit it in Google Classroom by tomorrow. Actually, we'll say by Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow's Wednesday. By Thursday. And it's just a writing prompt. I want you to reply in a good fat paragraph to this prompt. Please reflect on the last several weeks. Think about how you have behaved as a student. Have you read more? Have you stopped thinking about school completely in favor of games and memes? Will these changes persist when life returns to normal, or are you now a different person? Do you appreciate and miss interacting with people in person? Are you happier staying at home and not being out in public as much? Please write a fat paragraph explaining how this period in your life has altered you as a student and person. This is due by Thursday. I think that's all I have for today. Yeah, stay happy, healthy, and safe. You should be getting the attendance form at 8 o'clock. You'll get this video and this assignment at probably by 8:30 or so. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you out. Bye-bye.